Minasan konnichiwa. Today I will be talking about past tense short forms. So earlier we learned how to conjugate into short form. So using that we can also make it into the past tense, of course. And it can be conjugated as following. So we go from present short form to past short form. We do this, of course, with verbs, adjectives, na adjectives, and nouns with this. Alright, so for verbs, hanasu, to speak. We just say hanashita. So next, adjectives, shiroi, white, shirokatta. Na adjectives, genki da, genki datta. And nouns, sakubun da, sakubun datta. Alright, so let me just explain this a little bit more. Alright, so the short form in the present of hanasu is hanasu. So if we say hanashimasu means we will speak, we just say hanashita. And if we wanted to make a past long form, we just hanashimashita. But instead, we want to keep it kind of casual or a short form. So the ta will still be there. For the adjective shiroi, whites, we just drop the it's very important. And we put on this strange little ending, katta, which is always just past tense for adjectives. For na adjectives, the genki da, it's kind of similar with the small tsu and the ta. So genki da, da. And then for sakubun da, it's the exact same. So sakubun da, da. So just remember to make the tsu small, because if you say datsuda, it doesn't make sense. So just please make sure that the tsu is very small so you can distinguish that you don't have to pronounce it. It's a little gap. We can also conjugate past short form into negative. So using the previous examples, we learned hanashita. It goes into hanashinakatta. Shirokatta turns into shirokunakatta. Genki datta turns into genki janakatta. And similarly with nouns, we turn into sakubun datta turns into sakubun janakatta. So janakatta is basically janai, which means isn't. So janai, the e would go there, and that is just the present. So we just take away the e and add a kata, small tsu. Remember, the small tsu is very important. Don't want to make it too big, otherwise people will think it's a normal tsu. And nouns follow the same suit, so janai would be janakatta. And then there are special cases with this conjugation with iku and i. So we could say itta. So the small tsu again, right here. Perfect. And then e is very strange. It changes completely. So e turns into yokata. And then if you wanted to say it wasn't good, we would just say yokunakatta. Just a quick example I have here. 猫ちゃんは白くて kawaikatta da yo. So the kitten was white and cute. So I'll break the sentence down a little bit. I like this word here, neko-chan. You could just say neko if you want to say cat. Neko-chan just sounds a little bit more cute. So, of course, when we want to connect two adjectives together, we use te and put the comma. So, shirokute kawaikatta yo. So, since we don't see the kitten now or in the future, we saw it in the past, so that's why we change it to kawaikatta yo. If we wanted to be in the present, we just said kawaii yo. But that's not the case here, so same as always, the katta. And then yo just kind of means, it's kind of a reassurance. And then for the final example, gita no jugyo ga yoku nakatta. And then this kanji here is jugyo, which means class. Instead of saying kurasu, you just say jugyo. Gita no jugyo ga yoku nakatta. So that means the guitar class was not good. And that is all I have for you today. Arigato.